Hey there, Kathy Ann, Dead Girl Talking. If you ask the question, what would Jesus do? And ignore the plight of man, we have missed the message. The message from Christ was love. The message from Christ is love. Love is the answer to all you ask for. Love is the peace waiting to grow. And this peace comes in more than one form. It comes through peace of mind. It comes through a peace in loving who you are. It comes through the peace of being who you are. It comes through the peace of loving another. It comes through the peace in allowing another to be who they are. Jesus would offer love to all. Jesus would offer comfort to all. The core of his message is love. It is kindness. It is giving to another what you have. For you know there is plenty. For God supplies all. Faith is a creation of love. When you love, faith comes simply. And when you have faith, when you know that you are loved, that you are protected, that you are safe, the love living within you grows. And it is much easier to share this profound love with all. In the turmoil of the world, in the turmoil of your life, love is the answer. Conflict, division, they block the love that you are wanting. And you are the only one who can allow and accept this love. Christ is love and only love. God is love and only love. We are the judges. We judge ourselves. We judge another. We compare that which we have to that which another has. And it makes us want more. If you could start to look instead of at things, if you could look at the love living in a heart, in the heart of another, and want more of that, you would begin to create peace. There is always more than enough love to be had by all. God's love is unlimited, limitless. It lives in you. Many have smothered this love for many reasons. Lack of worth, thinking that they have sinned and do not deserve the love. Lack of trust. This trust in not understanding that God is always with you and always loving you. We ask you once again to hear the message, the true message of Christ, the pure, unaltered message of Christ. Love. Love your neighbor. Do unto another. Turn the other cheek. See the God living within them is the same God living within you. The same God living within Christ, the creator of all. Created through love. Begin to look in the mirror and then look into your eyes and see the love there. Allow it to shine through. Spread the message, the true message of Christ, the true message of God, the true message of the teachers that have come before. Love. Love is the answer. It brings peace to your body. It brings peace to your mind. It fills you with a faith in knowing that you are taken care of. And it fills you with joy when you can help another. That is what we are here for. To help another, uplift another. For many the test comes, and it is not a test given by God. God does not test. It is their own test. Can they love someone who looks different, sounds different, loves different, acts different, is different? Can they offer this person love? If you can offer love to another, though they are different, you will begin to learn from a new perspective. And this perspective allows a different view of how God loves. For God loves unconditionally. And this is the true message that Christ was showing. He was showing unconditional love as God does. He told us, I tell ye are gods. For he realizes that the same God fire living in him lives in everyone. We are the messengers of love. We are the messengers of peace. And when we can begin to speak this message, then we will see the change. We wish for you love in your life, peace in your mind, joy in your soul,